Good morning, everybody. Can everybody hear me? Does all hear me perfect or? Is my music too loud in accordance to my voice or is it perfect? I think it might be too loud actually. Let me turn it down. I can see that it's spiking. Alright, I have turned it down. That should be good. Just like a background thing. So, today I am expecting at least these equal highs to be tagged. I think today's analysis is quite straightforward. We have an hourly SMT on the lows, looking for equal highs on the highs. And so if you go down to a 5-minute chart, we have a 1-hour SMT here. Then we have a very clean market maker buy model right here. I can maybe go to the 15-minute chart. Make it a little clearer. Make our buy into this high. But because this high is pretty much equal highs, you can just target that. If you want to be even more precise with your exits and entries, then I would target the inefficiency resting above these equal highs. Man, the AC is like right on top of my new setup and it's been blasting me, which I love, but at the same time, in the mornings it's just so cold. This was also a London session setup that I entered on. I believe someone in the Discord also caught this. I just entered along over here looking for higher prices. So that's like my position right now. At 9:30 it would be permissible if price drove a little lower, to wiping out some sell side here, creating another SMT 9:30 and look for some higher prices. That would be ideal. What I want to see. We have an SMT with London low, so I would expect this to 9:30 just shoot higher pretty much. Manage your trade accordingly, but that's my drawn liquidity as of right now. I can post up the screenshot. He took literally the exact same trade as me, so let me just the chef cooking it up. All right, so he said the model's here. Let's see where this goes. TP1 smashed. That was like within like an hour, I think. How often do you check the charts before New York AM session? It really just depends. It's like for maybe a higher time frame scale, like I just kind of check it whenever. But then like when it comes down to like a 15-minute chart, 5-minute, anything below the 15-minute chart, or even sometime, yeah, anything below the 15-minute chart, I would just wait to usually for some sort of volatility injection. It's just last night's setup was pretty clean. Oh yeah. Yeah, the chef cooking it up. I do see that my audio is clipping a little bit. I wonder if I can adjust that to prevent clip. Oh, my clip guard's on already. Okay, that's fine then. Exactly, Kirk. So on a higher time frame perspective, looks very good, right? Daily fair value gap in a market maker sell model right now. Trade into that gap, create high of the week, drop with FOMC potentially, NFP, right? Driving prices lower. Looking for this inefficiency here, resting right below these low resistance liquidity lows. That's the idea so far. Today is right before FOMC, so just be a little cautious of some chop. It's always permissible before these high impact news events. Not sure why quality isn't best on stream. I'm on 720. Might be my stream quality, possibly. Is it blurry for everyone else, or I think I might have to do some settings. Do you determine the time frame to use based on higher time SMT that occurs? Wait, let me think. Do you determine the time frame to use for each session based on the higher time frame SMT that occurs? Yes, usually. Okay, yeah, I'll have to up the quality. You guys want me to restart the stream and up the quality, or that's completely up to you guys. Type 1 if you want me to do it. Type 2 if it's fine. I don't mind. Either way works, to be honest. I'll just be offline for like a minute or two. Okay, I'm just gonna do it just for the sake of